Imagine waking up tomorrow. Every news channel, every phone, every social media platform is talking about the same unbelievable story. Astronomers have discovered something terrifying. At first, scientists think it's just another distant object in deep space. Nothing unusual, nothing dangerous, but a few hours later, everything changes. The newest calculations reveal something impossible. The object isn't moving away from us, it's coming toward our solar system. And that object is a black hole. No explosions, no sound, just silence. Because in space, no one can hear what's coming. For thousands of years, humanity has looked at the stars with wonder. But today, those same stars may be warning us. If a black hole really entered our solar system, could anything survive? Let's find out. What exactly is a black hole? Before we panic, we need to understand what a black hole really is. Despite what movies show, a black hole is not a giant vacuum cleaner sucking in everything around it. It's something even stranger. A black hole forms when a massive star reaches the end of its life. After billions of years, the star runs out of fuel. Its core collapses under its own gravity. The explosion that follows creates one of the most mysterious objects in the universe, a black hole. Its gravity becomes so powerful that not even light can escape. That's why we call it a black hole. Because once something crosses its boundary, known as the event horizon, it can never return. Not even information. Scientists believe there are millions of black holes in our galaxy alone. Most are far away, far beyond our solar system. And that's good news, because even a small black hole passing nearby could completely change the fate of every planet around the sun. Now imagine, one of them has just been detected, heading in our direction. What happens next? Scientists believe there are millions of black holes in our galaxy alone. I'd continue like this, but here's something that surprises many people. A black hole doesn't destroy everything just because it exists. In fact, if our sun were magically replaced by a black hole with exactly the same mass, the Earth wouldn't immediately fall into it. Instead, our planet would continue orbiting almost exactly as it does today. The biggest difference would be that the entire solar system would become completely dark. Without sunlight, plants would stop producing oxygen. Temperatures would begin to fall. Within weeks, the oceans would slowly start freezing from the surface. Life on Earth would face one of the greatest challenges in history. So, if black holes don't pull everything in instantly, why are scientists so afraid of them? The answer lies in one invisible force: gravity. The closer you get to a black hole, the stronger its gravity becomes. Near its center, the difference in gravity between your head and your feet becomes enormous. This effect has a terrifying name: spaghettification. Imagine being stretched like a piece of spaghetti. Your body becomes longer and thinner until it can no longer stay together. Fortunately, this only happens if you get extremely close. But our story isn't about a person falling into a black hole. Our story is about an entire solar system facing one. Because if a wandering black hole entered our neighborhood, it wouldn't need to swallow every planet. Simply changing their orbits could be enough to create complete chaos. And that's exactly where our story begins. Thousands of astronomers around the world suddenly notice that something massive is moving toward the sun. At first, nobody believes it, but then the calculations are checked again and again. Every computer gives the same terrifying result. The object is real, and it's coming closer every single second. The object is real, and it's coming closer every single second. At first, nothing seems different. The planets continue orbiting the sun. Earth looks peaceful. People go to work. Children go to school. The oceans remain calm. The night sky looks exactly the same. But far beyond Pluto, something invisible has already begun. The black hole's gravity is reaching the outer edge of our solar system. Not strong enough to destroy anything, but powerful enough to change tiny movements. Tiny changes. That will soon become enormous. Scientists point every telescope toward the mysterious object. Space agencies around the world stop everything else. For the first time in history, humanity is watching an invisible monster approach. Then, the impossible happens. The orbit of Neptune changes, only by a tiny amount, but enough for scientists to notice. One tiny change means the calculations were correct. The black hole is no longer just passing by, it's already changing our solar system. Now imagine, if Neptune's orbit changes, then Uranus won't remain stable forever. After Uranus, Saturn will begin to feel the disturbance. Then Jupiter. Every planet in the solar system depends on gravity. It's like a perfectly balanced machine. If you move one gear, the entire machine eventually changes. And that's exactly what a black hole does. It doesn't have to crash into a planet. It only needs to disturb gravity. Within weeks, computer simulations begin showing terrifying possibilities. Some planets could move closer to the sun. Others could be thrown into deep space forever. Some might even collide with each other. Imagine watching Saturn, with its beautiful rings, slowly drifting away from the sun, or Jupiter, the giant that protects Earth from countless asteroids, being pulled into a completely different orbit. Without Jupiter, millions of asteroids that were once trapped by its gravity could begin moving toward the inner solar system. Now, humanity faces a second nightmare, not just the black hole, but thousands of giant space rocks following behind it. Every new calculation makes the future look darker. Scientists aren't asking, will the solar system change? They're asking, how much time do we have left? And then, the black hole reaches the distance where even Mars begins to feel its gravity. For the first time, Earth is no longer safe. As the black hole continues its journey, humanity watches, powerless. Every telescope, every satellite, every scientist, searching for one answer. Can we stop it? The truth is heartbreaking. A black hole cannot be destroyed with today's technology. There are no rockets powerful enough, no weapon strong enough, no machine capable of changing its path. If a black hole truly entered our solar system, our only hope would be to leave. But even that would be almost impossible. Fortunately, everything you've seen in this documentary is based on real science, but it is only a what-if scenario. According to everything astronomers know today, no black hole is currently heading toward our solar system. And that's something we can all be grateful for, because every sunrise, every sunset, every breath we take depends on the delicate balance of our universe. The universe is unimaginably beautiful, but it is also unimaginably powerful. And perhaps the greatest mystery is not what we already know, but what we have yet to discover. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to explore more incredible mysteries of space, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Astroverse Facts. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe always has another